Assalamualaikum and good day, and welcome and thank you to all for taking the time to meet with me today. So, before we begin the interview, I would want to introduce myself first. My name is Nurul Najih binti Hussein, and my register number is 01DDT20F1124, as well as the interviewer for this session. So, now, please introduce yourself.
My name is Nur Shazanira binti Muhammad Shahar. My register number is 01DDT20F1120.
And my name is Nur Amira Husna binti Abdul Rahim, and my register number is 01DDT20F1026.
Thank you. As you are aware, you have been asked to utilize the Photopia application for today's interview question sessions. Hence, I hope you are prepared with the questions that will be provided. So now, Miss Shazanira, I would like to ask you a question concerning the design interface for this application. The first is, what's your opinion about the text in Photopia?
My opinion about the text in Photopea is the type of the text is easy to read when user read the Photopea application. Then also the size and font are not confusing user when saw the Photopea application.
Next is, what do you think about the application design?
I think the application design is interesting because the menu bar arrangement is neatly ordered according to the set sequence.
So for the third question, what's on your mind about the color schema application?
My mind about the color schema application is the application color schema is not too bold. Each user an appropriate color schema because when the color too bold, make my eyes painless and dizzy, especially if I'm using it in a dark room.
Okay. For the next question is, do you able to differentiate tools icon easily?
Yes, my answer is yes because the application is using a general icon, especially for Photoshop user because of the similar icon.
Okay, for the last one, what do you think about the arrangement of tools icon?
I think about the arrangement of tool icon is the icon are not frivolous as the arranger on the sides and at the same time can be used as navigation. So then make me easy to find it when I want to use the tools.
Thank you, Miss Shazanira, for giving a good answer. So now, Miss Amira, I would like to ask you about the functionality of Photopia. The first is, let me know your thoughts about the operational application.
As a user, I think the application is easy to use and operate. It is because the app is really simple and user friendly.
The next is, what do you like most about the Photopia?
For me, I can say that the thing that I like the most is the application can recover when error occur, like undo or redo. It is hardly have any limitation in editing with Photopea.
Okay. The third is, did you face any challenge while using the application?
As long as I have used it, I would say no because the application offers informative feedback of every detail. For example, I can complain to the application if I have a problem when using it on a report a bug menu.
Alright. So, how would you like how likely are you to recommend Photopia to your friends or family? And please give me your reasons.
I will recommend it to all my friends and family because the main reason is it is an online application. For example, instead of you have to download the software photo editing like Photoshop and takes time to install it, you can simply using Photopea on any internet browser.
So, for the last questions, did you have any suggestions or comments?
I think I don't really have a lot to say because it's a good editing software. with basic and advanced tools, especially for users of Photoshop, and because it is very close online alternative. Sometimes it takes a long time to edit in Photopea because of the internet connection. It doesn't have account, which makes a huge disadvantage for me. For example, lack of user account makes me unable to save my editing in the cloud like Google Doc, but overall it is perfect.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Amira. And thank you again for taking the time to speak with me today. I will contact you shortly to discuss the next steps. Assalamualaikum and have a pleasant day.